New generation of wealth builders.
Hi everyone, so today we have a new product for Trading Republic by ZFT. But bago ang lahat, bago ko sabihin sa inyo, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Zpranks. I'm your host, I'm your friend, and I'm your guide for Trading Republic. So today I'm going to teach you how you can avail our coaching session ng sobrang simple lang. So, if you are already in the server, you can just go to create a ticket. As you can see here on my screen, punta kayo sa pinakababa, then create a ticket. So, makikita nyo dyan, di ba? Ito, book now, paid coaching session. This is the Trading Republic partners, but I'm not going to discuss about the ticket. So, focus lang tayo dito sa paid coaching session. So, if hindi pa kayo nakakasali, you can just look at the description, andun yung Discord link natin, and you don't have to worry about that. So, I highly suggest for you guys to avail this paid coaching session if you want to improve your skills, if meron ka ng talent. Hindi siya for someone na, alam mo yun, parang simula sa simula magtatanong ka ng lahat. I don't think na masusulit mo siya, and I would highly suggest na nakadaan ka na ng technical intensive, of course, and or wealth builder course, basta any course in ZFT or blueprint if you want to have a clarity about those setups. So yun. So as of now, we only have one coach na nandito sa ating tawag dito, coaching session. Once you click book now, lalabas dito yung ticket. Oops, dismissed ko lang to. Ayan. So, 107 Suruwashi. So, as you can see here, lalabas yung Trading Republic by ZFT bot. Please send screenshot of your purchase for one-on-one session. So, once na naka-avail ka na, paano ba i-avail yan? So, slash nyo lang. Sa mga familiar na sa Discord, ganito maglagay ng commands. Pero, I mean, sa mga hindi pa familiar sa Discord, ganito maglagay ng commands. So, slash lang and then just put pay. Or, makikita nyo na yan eh. Ano, sa pinakauna. Click nyo lang yan, tapos enter. May lalabas na panel ngayon. So, after that, dito kasi, nakabili na ako kanina ng Liquidity Pool Advisory or nung isang araw pala. And then, one-on-one with Coach Alpha just to give a tutorial for some people. So, ngayon, eto, bibili ulit tayo ng one-on-one coaching. So, ngayon, you have to click this card. So, one-on-one with Coach Alpha. Ayan. So, ending na yan. So, sabi dito. So, meron daw kasi akong nabili. Pero, in your case, hindi pa yan ending. Wala nakalagay na ganyan. So, $20 per hour. Gusto kong i-avail ulit. And then, after that is, pwede kayo magbayad ng Solana. Click nyo lang to. Lalabas dyan, send Sol 2. So, makikita nyo dyan, no? Or if you want to pay via USDC or USDT, click nyo lang pay USDC, USDT. And then, send USDC or T dito sa wallet na to. Click nyo lang, yan, ganyan. Tapos, in my case, since meron akong nakaset up na wallet, kailangan ko lang mag-change ng wallet. Pero, meron na kasi akong wallet for that. So, for this, for you guys, isi-set up nyo yung wallet nyo. Nakalagay dito naman yun eh. Paying from a new wallet, register your new address first. So, ayan, change your wallet. Ako dito, ayan, nandito na yung wallet address ko kasi. So, hindi ko na kailangan. So, next is magbabayad na lang tayo. Punta tayo sa Phantom Wallet. As you can see here, magsisend tayo ng Solana to this wallet, right? Copy natin yan. After that, send 20 USD daw. Ito na po, on the way. So, naka-ledger tayo guys, para safe. Siyempre, dapat safe tayo. So, makikita nyo ito lalabas dyan once na nakapag-bayad. And there you go. Ang bilis, di ba? Andito pa yung transaction link, SolScan. So, screenshot nyo lang yan. I want to see that screenshot. Or send nyo yung SolScan din para masaya tayong lahat. I can verify on my end kasi I'll be the one to assist you guys here. Copy nyo lang and then lagay nyo dito. Ayan. And then, make sure itag nyo ako guys. And then after that, ibibigay ko sa inyo yung link kung saan kayo pwede magpa-schedule with Coach Alpha or kung saan kayo pwede magpa-schedule with the coach na pinili nyo. Ngayon si Coach Alpha pa lang yung nasa options natin pero there will be more coaches na magsa-sign up for that. Siniset up pa natin sila or nakikipag-coordinate pa tayo with them. But for now, I want to teach you guys. Same process lang naman yung gagawin. So, if you have any questions, feel free to mention me sa Discord chat mismo muna or sa ticket if nahihiya kayo. So, I'm here to guide you guys. So, thank you so much for watching this video. So, I would like to see you in our next tutorial sa mga paparating pa. Of course, there will be more next year, 'di ba? So, matapos na yung taon, and thank you so much again for supporting Trading Republic by CFT. Again, my name is Z Pranks, and see you on our next video.